This is AI Finance Daily. Today's question: why AI won't replace most jobs? The economic argument nobody makes. The common belief is that artificial intelligence, or AI, will soon replace a significant number of jobs, up to 300 million worldwide, according to a 2023 report by Goldman Sachs. Many of us envision a future where machines do our work for us, leading to mass unemployment. But let me show you what the numbers actually say. The data suggests a more nuanced picture. A 2022 McKinsey report found that while up to 30% of tasks in 60% of jobs could be automated, the actual displacement of jobs may be less dramatic. In fact, the report emphasizes that if companies actively use AI, they will likely need more human workers to complement the technology, not fewer. So why does this disconnect exist? First, consider the complexities of human jobs. Most roles consist of a mix of tasks: routine, analytic, and interpersonal. AI excels at automating the repetitive aspects of jobs, but struggles with tasks requiring human empathy, creativity, or judgment. For instance, a nurse's role may include data entry, scheduling, and patient care. AI could optimize scheduling, but it can't replace the human connection essential for patient care. Moreover, new jobs emerge as technology evolves. ATMs were once feared to eliminate bank teller positions. Yet, between 2000 and 2020, the United States added over 40,000 teller jobs, not fewer. The issue here lies in the adaptability of labor markets. As AI integrates into industries, workers shift towards roles that focus on tasks machines can't perform. This realignment necessitates reskilling and upskilling, which are crucial for the workforce. Let's assign some numbers around this. Think about the U.S. labor market. At the beginning of 2023, there were approximately 158 million jobs in the country. If we take that Goldman Sachs estimate of 300 million jobs being at risk, it quickly looks suspect when contrasted with the actual job landscape. Job displacement due to AI is not a one-for-one relationship. It's more about transformation than removal. There's a personal implication that's critical here. Many of you might feel anxious about your job security. It's reasonable to feel that way, especially when headlines forewarn about looming job losses. However, the reality is likely less traumatic than often portrayed. If you work in a sector where AI can play a role, the task is to develop skills that leverage AI rather than compete against it. With this shift, we're not merely looking at potential job losses. There's also the economic argument. If we embrace AI effectively, productivity can increase, potentially leading to economic growth. In a high productivity scenario, wage growth tends to follow. According to the World Economic Forum, embracing killer applications in AI could infuse up to $15 trillion into the global economy by 2030. That creates opportunities. AI's applications can redefine not just industries, but also how we understand work. Think of logistics, a realm transformed by AI-driven analytics. Warehouses become smarter, deliveries more efficient. The truck driver may not disappear. Instead, their role may evolve to one that requires new skills in tech management and data analysis, steering technology rather than a vehicle. But there are limits to this transformation. Not all jobs will adapt or evolve. Certain sectors, especially lower skill ones, may face tougher competition from AI advancements, requiring targeted policies from governments and companies alike. The real risk, then, may lie not in the disappearance of jobs, but in the unequal access to opportunities for reskilling. Those unable to adapt could be left behind, deepening pre-existing societal divides. In conclusion, while AI will alter jobs, the idea that it will indiscriminately replace them lacks nuance. The conversation should center not on fear of job loss, but on preparing for a shift, an opportunity for all of us. As we navigate this landscape, remember to focus on the importance of adaptability and skills development. The figures discussed here are drawn from publicly available data. Always verify before making any financial decision. This is educational content, not financial advice. That wraps up AI Finance Daily. One small ask. If this was useful, hit follow. It costs you nothing, and it means we can keep making this. See you next time.